everyone. Swing it. I want to see a sweet, sweet smile on your faces and sing these words.
66 were male and 45,687 were female. And there are 9 transgenders. So female children, they are more missing compared to male children. Because why? Female children are more demanding. Anything, relatives, neighbors, these are all trusted person where a child trusts a father, a stepfather, relatives, uncles, aunts, neighbors. They trust this person. But there are certain cases where parents also need to be cautious, be aware. Don't send children where you don't know, to an unknown person also. Because sometimes from the villages, when they have so many children, maybe 8, 9, they cannot give them the basic necessities of life. And they just send the children like that. So sometimes the house owner also sexually abused their child. And even in mainland India, these type of cases, then we go into child trafficking cases. At least in our society, in our state, at least people are still good. They still have that humanitarian ground to serve people from the low socio-economic. But in mainland India, once children goes missing, and it's very difficult to found them again. So this is the act which because